Imagine a galaxy full of red stars. Sounds magical, right? Well, our own Milky Way is packed with them. More than 70% of the stars in our galaxy are what we called M dwarfs or red dwarfs. These stars are cooler and dimmer than our sun, but they're also some of the longest living stars out there. While our sun will burn out in about 10 billion years, M dwarfs can last for over 100 billion years. That means any planets orbiting them might have a lot of time for life to develop, if the conditions are right. Now, here's what gets really interesting. A group of international scientists has just discovered a new planet that's about the same size as Earth, and it's orbiting one of these ultra-cool red dwarf stars. They named the planet Speculus 3b, and it's located around 55 light-years away, which is relatively close by cosmic standards. And here's a fun fact. A year on this planet only lasts 17 hours. That's right, this planet zips around its star in less than one day. But there's something else that makes Speculus B really fascinating. It's probably tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet always faces the star, and the other side is stuck in eternal darkness. Imagine living on a planet where the sun never sets on one side, and the other side is trapped in permanent night. This discovery came from a project called Speculus. And yes, it's named after the delicious spiced shortbread cookie from Belgium. This project was created specifically to look for planets orbiting these faint, ultra-cool stars. It's a tricky job since these stars are so dim, but with a network of robotic telescopes, the scientists were able to make this incredible find. The leader of this project, Michael Gillen, has been at this for a while. His team also discovered the famous TRAPPIST-1 system, which contains 7 Earth-sized planets. So this isn't their first rodeo. And their work is giving us a better understanding of planets orbiting these red dwarfs, which have been largely unexplored until now. Now, Speculus 3b star is much dimmer than our sun. In fact, it's over 1,000 times dimmer. But since the planet is so close to the star, it still gets blasted with intense radiation, which likely means it doesn't have an atmosphere, but that's something we'll need to confirm with future observations. Speaking of the future, Speculus 3b is a top candidate for follow-up research with the James Webb Space Telescope. This could help us figure out more about whether the planet has an atmosphere, or if its surface is made up of certain types of minerals. It could even help us understand how planets form and survive around these cool red stars. What's really exciting is that we're getting closer to answering some big questions, like whether any of these Earth-sized planets could actually support life, or maybe even have life already. So there you have it. A brand new Earth-sized planet discovered, orbiting a distant red star, and it's right on the radar of the world's top space telescopes. The adventure of exploring space just keeps getting better. As always, like and subscribe for more updates.